So good afternoon. I just wanted to give you a short update here. I was shopping at the supermarket behind me here. You can't see it probably. Anyway, just a short update. We're at the end of the season for the air conditioning. And as you may remember, I put in a new air conditioning compressor, the 4-season one. And in the video I told you it was $160, it was $260 because I had first tried to purchase a rebuilt one for $160 from Rock Auto, and they were out of those, so I had to buy the new one, which is from Rock Auto, which is the 4-season, and that one was $260 with the shipping, I believe. I just wanted to correct this. Just not that you wondered, but the compressor has worked fine the entire season. Maximum temperatures we had was about 105 degrees Fahrenheit, which was around 41 degrees Celsius, which is quite normal for us. Other than that, I have not been driving as much because of the work was more related here at our shop, so I didn't go out, and I haven't done the front end yet here. My upper control arm bushings are still off, and my lower ball joints, I have to change those too. We will do this here when it gets a little bit cooler, which makes it easier to work it. Otherwise, we're coming up now on the 5-year mark on this when I bought the vehicle, and I will make a video after that, in that week after the 5th anniversary when I got the car, basically, to give you an update, a more detailed update. Just want to let you know everything is good here, good old Kansas. You have a great afternoon.